Yo, what's up, fam? Hope you're all doing great. Tired of that 9 to 5 grind? Feeling like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of work and bills? Want to make some serious cash without breaking a sweat? I got you covered, no stress, no hassle. We talking about raking in $300 every single day, all from the comfort of your couch. Imagine that, earning while lounging. You heard that right, 3 Benjamins just chilling and sharing your opinion. It's as easy as it sounds. And nah, this ain't no pyramid scheme or some shady internet scam. No tricks, no gimmicks. This is the real deal, my friends, and it's called Lifepoints. A legit way to earn money. Lifepoints is the secret sauce to financial freedom, the key to ditching that dead-end job and finally living the good life. Picture yourself stress-free. Imagine this. Waking up late, brunch with the crew, maybe a little online shopping spree, all funded by simply sharing your thoughts. Your opinions matter and they pay. Sounds too good to be true? Trust me, it's not. It's a game changer. I'm here to break it down for you step by step so you can start stacking that paper like a boss. Let's get into it and transform your life. So, what is Lifepoints, you ask? It's a website and app that pays you, yes you, for taking surveys. Imagine getting paid for just sharing your thoughts and opinions. These aren't your boring, sleep-inducing surveys either. They're engaging and fun, keeping you hooked from start to finish. We talking about interesting topics, from the latest gadgets to your favorite snacks. You get to voice your opinion on things you actually care about. They want to know what you think, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Yes, real money for your valuable insights. Think of it like this. You're already scrolling through social media, sharing your hot takes on everything from politics to the Kardashians. Why not get paid for it? It's a no-brainer, right? Lifepoints lets you turn those opinions into cold, hard cash. It's like getting paid for doing what you already love. They work with big-time companies who need your insights to make their products and services even better. Your feedback helps shape the future, and the best part? You get rewarded for your time and effort. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Now let's talk logistics. Getting started is simpler than you might imagine. Signing up for Lifepoints is a breeze, my friend. It's designed to be user-friendly and quick. Just head over to their website or download the app, create your profile, and boom, you're in. The process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. They'll ask you a few questions to get to know you better, like your interests and demographics. This ensures that the surveys you receive are relevant to you. This helps them match you with surveys that are right up your alley. You'll find surveys that are interesting and engaging. Once you're all set up, you'll start seeing surveys pop up in your dashboard. Notifications will alert you when new surveys are available. Each survey has a different payout, ranging from a couple of bucks to some serious dough. The more surveys you complete, the more you earn. You can choose the ones that pique your interest and fit into your schedule. Flexibility is key, and you can work at your own pace. No pressure, just easy money. It's a stress-free way to earn some extra cash. And when it's time to cash out, they got you covered. The process is seamless and hassle-free. PayPal, gift cards, you name it. Lifepoints makes it simple to enjoy the fruits of your labor. You can choose the payout method that suits you best. Section 4. Maxing out your hustle tips from your boy Trevor. Alright, now that you're in the game, let's talk strategy. Want to maximize your earnings and hit that $300 a day goal? Your boy Trevor's got your back. First things first, consistency is key. Make it a habit to check your Lifepoints dashboard daily and knock out a few surveys. Second, refer your friends. Lifepoints has a sweet referral program that rewards you for bringing your crew on board. The more friends you refer, the more bonus points you rack up. It's a win-win situation. And lastly, don't be afraid to speak your mind. The more detailed and thoughtful your responses, the more valuable your feedback becomes to Lifepoints. Section 5. Doubters and haters, don't sleep on Lifepoints. Now I know what you're thinking. Trevor, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? And honestly, I don't blame you for being skeptical. There are a lot of shady things going down on the internet these days. But trust me on this one, Lifepoints is legit. They've been featured in major publications and millions of people worldwide are already cashing in. Don't just take my word for it. Do your research, read the reviews, and see for yourself. Section 6. Conclusion. Time to get that money, fam. So there you have it, my friends. The inside scoop on how to make $300 a day with Lifepoints. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a legitimate way to pad your pockets. No more excuses, no more living paycheck to paycheck. It's time to take control of your finances and start living the life you deserve. Sign up for LifePoints today, and let's get this money, fam.